Yeah, so that's gonna be a big egg once it's all done. We're gonna see. So definitely big enough to put this guy in. We'll see. Yeah, update on the egg. Still printing. So let it run. I think it's big enough. It'll be the size of a dang football when it's done. Alright, here we go. We are all done with our first half of our dragon egg. Got our bottom half done. We've got a little bit of stringing. That's okay though, not a big deal. This is just a test print, work and see how it goes. So the rendering's not bad on it. Fairly smooth for the most part. Needs a little trim work, a little bit of stringing, a little retraction to mess with. But ultimately, not bad at all. So let's pop her off there if we can. Oh my gosh, she's good and stuck, man. We'll peel that whole bed off of there and then pop it off. There we go. Dragon egg cereal bowl. Well, half a dragon egg. Done. Today we have the top of the dragon egg going. So yesterday we got our bottom done. And now we're doing the top. Only 7.5 hours to go. Good Lord. Good deal. Oh, it's getting there. It's gonna be a hell of a big dragon egg, that's for sure. Yeah. Well, I'll be glad when it's done, man. Be able to tighten up the parameters, run a clear one. Stick some LEDs in it maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Dragon egg is all done. Just got finished a little bit ago. So now I got to do a little trim work on it. Clean it up a little bit and pop it off the bed, see how it fits. Back for more. There we go. Dragon egg all done. Pop the dragon in there for now. Fits well. There is a ring to be printed to go in between. I've changed where the Z seam is at. Ultimately not bad though. Happy with it.